Yeah, hello. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, hello.
Hey, sorry, please wear the mask.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Helen. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm today's anchor. And what's your name?
My name is Wing.
Wing. Yeah. Hello, Wing. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. So now, maybe you can introduce your company or introduce your some new product to our foreign customers.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Why not? Sit down, please.
No problem. You can take it. Yeah, you can go right here. Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Because every factory only have 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. It's from this side. Okay. Yeah, this one. This one is our personal model. This one you can see.
Oh, very convenient.
And then every leaf can like this.
Sorry.
And then I show you. I turn on this lamp. I show you. So you come this side.
偷拍一下。
Sorry.
No problem. I can do for you.
This model is from Manufaturer. It's our personal model. And then this one, this palm, you can see. You can help me like this. You can see.
Take off one part, also still can turn on the lights.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one. Can like this. One box, and then if this one is not working, and then we can change the new one, and then one box can like this one. Oh, sorry.
Small packing.
Small packing.
Yeah.
Can save the shipping
Charge.
and can save the CBM like this in the one box. So even if like this one, you can DIY this lamp like this one.
A different shape for the customers. Yeah.
Yes, you can DIY. For the room, you can make this. And this one is our new model. And you can see this LED bulb. Thank you. This is our LED bulb. This one, solar lamp. This one is a solar lamp. This one also is our model. Belong to our company.
The solo spotlight.
For the garden. This one is for the garden. This one for the solar lamp. This model also very special.
A special shape.
Yes, special shape.
The shape is, you have the pattern for the shape.
Yes. And this one for the garden lamp. This is the solar panel lamp.
Solar panel lamp.
Yes.
Oh.
This one is a solar panel lamp.
Normally, this camera product shipped to which country? The main customers.
This is for the Africa.
Africa.
Yes. Oh. Okay. This one we sell Africa many. And
This item is sold to Africa.
yes.
Yeah.
And this one LED bulb for the energy, for the emergency when you can see when you turn on.
Emergency.
Emergency.
Yeah, normally how many hours can?
This one charge only 3 hours, but
charge.
can use the 36 hours.
Oh,
Like
great.
this. And then you can see we open Like this
battery.
one, battery have the 4 pieces.
4 pieces. 4
inside,
pieces.
but like this one is not totally. See, this is have the four pieces about that. Yes, this model is from our company. It's our personal book. From this side, you can see our solar lamp. This one is the new model also. This one is the new model.
你可以企喺嗰個位嗰度。The whole light.
可以稍微换着。
哦。
Actually, like this one can show the very good photo, but now here is kind of actually like this one.
Oh, because.
This is very good photo.
叫它搞基的买。
Oh, of course. Yeah, okay.
Oh, like this one also. It's actually have the many design, but in the fair we only show like this here. Let's see. Like this photo is very good.
Oh, we can see the
Yes,
beautiful. 可以拍得到吗
You can see the photo on the floor.
Get so bright. Normally, this for the market is for the Middle East or
No,
Africa.
actually we sell the very for the we sell Asia.
Asia.
And Philippines,
Philippines.
Indonesia, and Thailand. We have many customers from there.
From
here.
there.
Yes. And the LED bulb, actually, my company before is sell the LED bulb,
Oh,
and
before
then in
yeah.
this year we add the solar lamp also. So
Start
you
to
can see
the solar lamp.
Solar lamp. This wall you can see our LED bulb. Yes. A bulb, T bulb. Like this. We have the very good price for the LED A bulb and T bulb.
A bulb 或 T bulb。
Yes. You can show this photo.
呢個都幾特別喎。
This lamp. We have a very good price about it. And in my factory have the 10 machine, AUTO, auto machine to make this one. Very brightness and very comfortable the brightness. Very good price also.
And normally the LED bulbs is for which country? Also
Middle East,
Middle East. In
India and Pakistan and Malaysia and Africa. Also, we sell the all of the world. Actually, LED bulb we already do the more than 10 years.
Oh, more
about
than
the
10 years.
LED bulb.
Yeah,
Yes.
great. More
We
than
go
10
inside
years.
our-
And do you have another point you want to tell to the customers?
Yes, actually we do the export business already more than 10 years. And then we also have, you see, we have that's the ISO. ISO, okay? Oh. And then you can see our certificate here. See both ISO, BIS, CB, IEC. We also have this certificate.
Okay. When do you have your name card?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. This one.
Yes, this one. And the catalog you did?
Yeah. Everyone could need some information and need some quotation. Please contact Wing, and
Yes.
they will provide good service for you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yes.
Yeah. Good business.
Thank you.